kind of done, but not really. It's just kind of like detangled and put to the side. I went to Sally's, one of my favorite places, to get some hair dye. I'm going to split dye my hair, which is why it's parted and detangled like this. As you can see, I've already lightened it and gonna slap this on. So if you don't know what split dye is, it's one side is one color, the other side is another color. Obviously I'm not doing it up to my root except for these two pieces that I've done in the front, because I didn't want it split dyed all the way up to the root. I might do that one day, I might not. I'm just holding this bag and making a bunch of noise. Hold on 1 second. But anyways, the colors that I've decided to go with today are a virgin pink and a purple rain. Ha! Look at that, it matches my shirt. Pink and purple rain are the colors I'm using today. I'm going to do the pink on the left, or yeah, probably, if I remember. I'll do the pink on the left, and I'm going to do that first so it can set in longer, and then I'm going to do the purple on the right, and we will come back. I'm probably not going to show the process of me dyeing it. It's not a tutorial. I mean, it's pretty obvious how you split dye your hair. So, you know, if you want to know how to dye your hair in general, just reference one of my other videos, preferably the dyeing my hair purple video, because it has a lot of views. I put a lot of effort into it and it came out really good. It's one of my favorite dye jobs and my favorite videos. Also, come back for the results. I don't know if I'm going to put them in this video. Yeah, I'm going to. So come back or fast forward to the results. I'm going to go get my edges right, my hair right, and dye it, and I'm going to wash it out, all that good stuff, and come back to you. So we're going to do a hair reveal together. It's been on here for a few hours. We're not going to say how long. I'm nervous. Oh my god, do I have hair? Thank god it's still on my head. Okay. Not really sure what that excess whiteness is, but sure. Oh, this has conditioner in it, I think. I'm gonna wash the purple side out first so it doesn't bleed into the pink, and then I'm gonna wash the pink side out. Be back soon.